Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blog website on Wix. Wix is a great website builder that you can use to create all types of websites. It is free to create your account and start using it. It has a rich feature set and lots of functionalities that you can use, as well as an easy to use way to customize your website with drag and drop. Even if you don't have any knowledge of coding, you'll be able to create beautiful websites in minutes. So in this video, we'll focus on creating a blog post or a blog website here. And to do so, it's pretty easy. Simply go to wix.com, create your free account. It's pretty easy and shouldn't take any time. And when you do, you'll be redirected to your main dashboard where you'll be able to create your website. As you can see here, I'm on my site's page. These are all the websites that are created before. As I told you, it's pretty easy to create websites. Now, you want to create a new website. Click here to create new site. You can browse from templates or start from a blank canvas or start basically from scratch. You can use the Wix editor to build your website with AI. For now, we will use the studio templates. And here are all the templates that are available for you. Now you can have ready-made templates with like ready-made designs, color palettes, text designs, images, and so on. Or you can start with wireframes. Now, wireframes are not like blank sites. They have placeholders for text, images, logos, and so on. However, they don't have any style. So they are like the middle ground between blank canvas and a ready-made template, as they have placeholders that are organized in a certain manner. However, they don't have any styles, colors, font, etc. So here in the templates, you can browse by type, by industry, by features, and by style. We obviously want to create a site that supports a blog features. So we want to filter by feature here, select blog, to see all the templates here that have blog functionalities built in. And don't worry, I'll show you how to add the blog functionality, even if you choose another template from another type. Okay, let's say I want to use this one. This looks good enough for me. You can view the template here, or you can edit it right away. Let's click on edit. And it'll load up the template in the Wix Studio Editor. And after a few moments here, our template is ready. Now you can edit any element here. Let's say this text. If you double click on it here to select it, highlight it, you can edit it. You can create AI text instead. You can add a link to it. So let's rename it to test website, for example. And we can even move it around. Let's say I want to make it like in the middle here, put it in the middle. Okay, and in the background, it's the container of the text. If we click on it, we can add media as a background here. So you can add media from Wix, Shutterstock, Unsplash, or upload your own media. Let's add this image, for example, add to page, and give it like a moment. And as you can see here, the image is loaded. Now here, if we click on the text, we can edit further details such as the font here. Okay, let's choose this one. And the font size, the font color, let's make it a bit red, okay, or pink. And the alignment, the formatting, the orientation, and so much more. And if we click on an image, for example, here, we can have this like section as a blank or columns. If we choose columns, as you see here, it's divided into two. We can click here to add media in this section, or divide it or split it horizontally. Let's split it horizontally. Okay, so I'm just goofing around here, but just showing you what you can do. And in this cell, for example, we can create image, add AI image. We can view the settings. So in the settings here, we can change the image. We can fill bounding box. We can set a behavior when the image is clicked, a link opens or nothing happens. And here we can crop, we can get focal point, we can add a link, add comment, and so much more. Now, in the image, for example, let's change the media here. Let's add media. Let's add this image. Okay, here. And actually, let's add a link to this image so that once you click on it, a web page will open. Let's say Google, for example, google.com. Okay, done. And scrolling down, we can do the same, editing any elements here or like any text. And you can also add elements right here. So if you click on the plus, you can add elements such as image, text, container, paragraph, button, video, lines, and so on. So let's add a button. Okay, let's drag it here in the empty space. And let's change the text. Let's say click me. Okay. And we can also change how it looks. So the background image, how transparent it is. Okay. The button itself here. We can change the layout of the button, left to right or right to left, and align the text in the middle. Now we can change the border type here, the width of the border, and the color. Let's make the corner a bit rounder if we want to, and we have all kind of control over it. Now you can here view the layers, and also I forgot to mention, you can add sections, complete sections, such as an about section, a product section, team section, product section, testimonials, and so much more. And here you can view your pages, you can view the global section, you can edit the site style, the global site styles, like fonts, colors, and page transitions, view the media that are related to your website, as well as other options such as app market. And now this is pretty important in the app market. If you haven't chosen like a blog center template, you can go to the app market here from, of course, the editor on the website that you are working on, and go in the search here, simply search for blog. Okay, hit enter. And here it is. You can install an app here that handles your blog capabilities for your website. Here you see that Wix blog is installed by default because we selected a template that has blog functionalities in it. However, if you have selected another template because you like the looks of it, you can always install Wix blog on your website here from the app market, or another blog application that you like. For now we settle on the Wix blog. Okay. And once you're happy with all your edits, go ahead and preview the website. And as you can see, all the edits that we made are now live. And if we go ahead and click on this image, it opens up google.com as we set it to do. And then let's go to edit site once again. Okay, you can publish it once it's ready and all the settings are good to go. Now, let's go back here to the dashboard of the website, which is like the back end of the website. And here on the menu, you can go ahead and edit the site once again if you want to from this option, edit site. However, what we are looking for is in this menu on the left, it is blog. So in blog here, you have overview of the blog app or the blog functionalities installed on your website. So here you can create a new blog post, you can create a category, you can import posts from WordPress, and you can also get found on Google, so boost your site's SEO or search engine optimization. You can get subscribers here form, or get to Google Ads to post ads or advertise your blog on Google. Here is all the what you need to know here. Start a post with a template, a blog post with already made templates. Here you have your posts. So published posts, drafts, pending reviews, scheduled, trash. And you have your comments. You have your categories. You have your tags, writers, monetization, and analytics. So let's take a look at analytics pretty quickly. Okay, so here you have all the blogs analytics here from the last 30 days up to the last year. Of course, there are nothing here, no analytics here to show since this is like a newly created account. You can connect to Google Search Console here to see your site's performance in search results and do so much more. So here in posts, let's go back to posts here. You can create a new post right here, or you get more actions. So create category, add a writer, or import posts. And you can also view the AI tools that will help you create your blog. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to create a blog website on Wix.